Hello and welcome to Piko Tutorials. In this tutorial, we're going to explain why you are receiving acknowledgement every time you sign into a new server with Piko 5.0. In Piko 5.0, if you have 5 systems, you'll see this specific self-signed certification 5 different times. That is meant to be. It's more of an acknowledgement. This is for all platforms, mobile, desktop, and web client. Secure, simple, and open routes. We want to ensure you trust the source locations where Piko is deriving from. You'll see this in the notification, the fingerprints, common name, issuer, and date. We want to assure these are coming from Piko. So when you're looking at it, look here, 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 and here to ensure that these are all labeled as such. If you do have other certifications or sources that you would like us to add for future multi-location facilities, please let us know and we can have them added. Thank you for watching Piko Tutorials. If you would like to watch more how-to videos around Piko, please click here for our tutorial channel, or you can visit us here at pikovms.com for more documentation and downloads.